Hey folks, HVAC Repair Guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor after starting my technical career as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're standing right next to two ultimate tier variable speed heat pumps to see how they stack up for your home. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 and the Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, you can see a noticeable difference right off the bat. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 comes with a heavy-gauge louvered coil cabinet, which completely shields the outdoor condenser coil from flying lawnmower rocks, hail, and stray yard equipment. On the other hand, the Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series does not have a louvered coil cabinet, relying instead on an open-wire, guard-style construction that leaves those delicate aluminum coil fins far more exposed to direct impact. Both units do come equipped with factory sound blankets wrapped around the compressor to help quiet down mechanical vibration. When it comes to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. HSPF measures how efficiently a heat pump delivers warmth during the winter months, where a higher number means lower electric bills when heating your home. The Mainline MLP19AY comes in slightly higher with an 8.5 HSPF rating, while the Direct Comfort GSZV9 sits at an 8.2 HSPF. In real-world winter operation, both of these units will handle cold weather efficiently, though the Mainline has a tiny edge in raw heating energy conversion. Because these are heat pumps, they reverse their cycle during the summer to handle your home's cooling as well, delivering high cooling efficiency alongside their heating capabilities. Looking under the hood at compressor and fan technology, both units feature true variable speed compressors paired with variable speed outdoor condenser fans. Instead of slamming on at full power like a standard single-stage system or stepping between just two speeds, variable speed technology continuously ramps up and down in small increments to match your home's exact heat load. This continuous modulation provides exceptional indoor comfort, eliminates drastic temperature swings, keeps humidity locked down, and extends overall equipment life by reducing the mechanical stress of constant, full-load start and stop cycles. Noise levels are an important consideration when a unit is sitting right outside a bedroom window. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 carries a published sound rating of 76 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to the sound of a dishwasher running nearby or a household vacuum cleaner. The Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series published sound rating drops as low as 58 decibels, which is about the same volume as a normal indoor conversation or a quiet refrigerator hum. Looking at manufacturing origin, Direct Comfort units are built right here in the USA by Dakin Goodman. The Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series is manufactured in Mexico by Rochem. When we look at actual market pricing for each model, there is a distinct difference in how you buy them. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 can be purchased online as an equipment-only package for between $7,960 for a 2-ton and $9,935 for a 5-ton split system, with complete turnkey installed packages running between $11,500 and $13,900. The Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series is distributed exclusively through Hajoka wholesale supply houses to licensed contractors, so equipment-only retail pricing isn't published online. However, real-world contractor quotes to install the MLP19AY typically run between $10,500 and $13,000 depending on tonnage and local labor. Warranty coverage is where these two systems split dramatically. The Direct Comfort GSZV9 comes with a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty that gives you a brand new outdoor unit if the compressor fails in the first decade. The Mainline MLP19AY Elite Series offers a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 3-year unit replacement warranty. My honest recommendation goes to the Direct Comfort GSZV9. While the Mainline MLP19AY has a slightly higher HSPF and quieter operation, the Direct Comfort GSZV9 gives you a durable louvered cabinet to protect your coil and unbeatable warranty protection with a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee.